What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the overheating when charging issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all, if you are using a fake charger, then use the original Samsung company charger to charge your phone. So if you will use another charger, then it will cause overheating and it will charge your phone slowly. So I will recommend you to use the original Samsung company charger. It will charge your phone faster and it will avoid overheating. Now the second solution for this problem is check the charging port. So if there is dust and any other thing in the charging port, it may cause overheating while charging. So clean the charging port, and after cleaning the charging port, your overheating issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the next solution is open settings. Scroll down to the end and here click on software update and then click on download and install. Now from here check if you have a pending software update. So if you have a update, then update your mobile to the latest version, and after updating your mobile software to latest version, your overheating issue will be fixed. Now the next solution for this problem is open settings again. Scroll down and click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now scroll down and click on reset all settings and then again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will tap on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So I hope after all these solutions your overheating issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try charging your phone with different chargers. So maybe the problem is with your charger or with your cable. So using a different charger will fix your issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.